So hello and welcome to a brand new video, and based on the title you already know what this video is going to be about. And today I'm basically going to be unboxing a product that you can tell from the title, but I'm going to be unboxing this, and I purchased this primarily for my Sony a7S III that I have right here. Currently I'm recording this unboxing video from the Sony ZV-E10, but this I'm assuming can be used for my ZV-E10 as well, and I know for a fact that it can 100% be used for my Sony a7S III, and there's a reason I wanted to buy this, although I already have a microphone that I'm currently using to record this video. The only issue I have with the microphone I'm using to record this video is that you need to be 100% sure that you have actually powered it on, and at least the transmitter or the receiver is both on. If one of them is off, then your entire audio could basically just not be captured, and that is the issue I wanted to resolve, which is why I went to the Ted's camera shop to basically purchase this mic. And from the name you can already tell this is the Sony ECM-B1M. I do not like the name because Sony, with the naming conventions, whether it be with the headphones, whether it be with their earbuds, and whether it be with their cameras or the microphone, well, I'm not too fussed about the camera side of things, but their products in general, the naming conventions that they use, it's quite horrendous. But without any further ado, maybe let's just get to the unboxing. So this is what the box looks like. Hopefully it's focusing. If you turn to the back, this is what you can see. Okay, so let's get to the unboxing. There's no seal that I need to cut anywhere, so let's just pull this tab. Okay, so there's this pouch that you get, so it looks like this. Let's put this to the side, and there are, oh my god, the manuals. Just look at this manual. Like, there's 1, there's 2, there's 3, there's 4, there's 5 with this tiny thing, there's 6, and then there's this one, 7. So, oh my god, there's a lot of paper, and obviously a cover for your mic, so a wind muff. So let's put this to the side, and we're going to be using this on the microphone. So the microphone is in this housing right here, and it also comes in a really good box. Well, not a box, but a covering, so it looks like this. So, okay, so it's empty now. I've basically taken it out. So this is what it looks like. So this is the side angle, and this is the other side. So nothing there. But if you look at the back, this is where all the controls are. And this is what the top bit looks like. And this is what the hot shoe mount looks like. And you can see the Sony branding in the front. And also, there's a plastic here. So you would probably have to take that out if you want to put it on top of your microphone. And I'll show you how the dead cat goes in. And I think, to be honest, with the dead cat or a wind muff, call it whatever you want, with this actually applied, I think the mic actually looks good, because I do not like the look of this at the moment, how it looks. So what we'll do is we'll try to use the wind muff. Okay, with the wind muff applied, now it looks like this. You can see it right here. It looks much better than before, and it looks kind of bulkier as well. And the guy in the camera shop also told me that this is much better than the ECM-M1. So this apparently is much better, and it has a much better settings because there's no more than 3 audio patterns that you can pick from here. I think the ECM-1M or M1, whatever you call it, I think that has 8 patterns. This only has 3, so it's going to be good for your indoor videos, or if you want to vlog, or if you want to capture some, you know, nature sounds when you're out and about. This can do the job, and because I saw good reviews online when compared to even the ECM-1M, this turned out to be quite good based on what I heard, so that's why I purchased this. Unboxing this was fairly straightforward because not many things compact in apart from these brochures or manual or whatever you call it, 7 different booklets. That's annoying, but I guess that's basically everything you get in the box. So let me do one thing. What I'll do is I'll put this on top of my a7S III, and it doesn't have to be connected via any cable because I think it has something you call, forgot the name, so let me look at the box. So yeah, it has the multi-interface shoe mount, which Sony a7S III is compatible with. So there are some pins on the shoe mount here. It connects with the pins that are on top of the a7S III. A7S III, and without the need of any sort of cabling, you will automatically be able to use this as your default mic. So maybe let me just do that. I can also maybe use this with my ZV-E10, so maybe let me try to switch it up and let me try it that way. Okay, so I've basically connected the Sony ECM-B1M, so this microphone now is connected to my ZV-E10. Hopefully it is capturing my audio, and hopefully it is doing a much better job than basically what this did. This is the DJI mic, wireless mic 2. So it's currently, although it is on, it's not connected to my Sony ZV-E10 because I've taken this thing out. So it's not connected at all. So let me stop the recording now and then put this in my computer to see the audio, how well this sounds. And again, I'm currently in my home office, which is basically a sunroom in my house. So there could be potentially some echoes, but I really hope that the audio that this mic is capturing, this brand new mic that I unboxed is capturing, is definitely gonna be good. And what I'll also be doing is basically comparing the audio captured from this mic when connected to the Sony ZV-E10 fares with the Sony A7S III as well. So that's gonna be a very interesting combination. And I'm also hoping that there's not gonna be a need to do any sort of audio editing in post. Okay, so I'm back on my Sony ZV-E10 with the DJI Mic 2, and I plugged the Sony ECM-B1M on my A7S III. So I am going to be trying the audio quality captured in this camera through this brand new mic, but that may be a separate video on its own. I just wanted to capture the unboxing and initial audio captured from this brand new microphone in my Sony ZV-E10, which I've done, and I'll be doing maybe an in-depth comparison between these two cameras and between the cameras and the mics used between the Sony ZV-E10 as well as the A7S III as well, in combination with the brand new mic as well as the DJI mic. I also have the Rode Wireless Go 2, so I might make an in-depth video in the future. So for this video, I'm gonna leave it right there. So with that being said, thank you for watching this video this far. I'll definitely see you in the next one. Till then.